What's up guys, how's it going? MikeTheTech here, and in this video I am going to show you the easiest and cleanest way to manage your fans in Windows 11. Today we are looking at fan control, as in GetFanControl.com. Look at how easy this looks. Gone are the days of complicated software to try and manage your fan speed and curves. Now we have this beautiful looking software to manage CPU and GPU curves, as well as monitor all of the important statistics. So let's go ahead and download this and try it out. We can see that we can get a portable version that you don't have to install, and you can just run it right in the folder, and an installed version. I'm going to go ahead and install this version here, and we'll click on the download. Now we just go through the installation by accepting the agreement, choosing next. We'll create a desktop shortcut, why not? And we'll install. Now we have a desktop shortcut, and we can go ahead and launch fan control. We're immediately shown an assisted setup, so it's going to go ahead and automatically select the type of sensors and find corresponding RPM sensors and things like that. So let's go ahead and press OK. And here it's found what we want to actually enable or not. So we'll go ahead and leave these as is. We're going to use NV API wrapper, and we don't really need to enable the ALDX wrapper because we don't have AMD. But let's just go ahead and go in with the default so you know what to expect. We'll hit OK and choose yes. The system will go through a few tests to identify and figure out whether it can actually control the fan speed itself. You'll hear your fans ramp up a bit as it tests the limits and speed, so it can set appropriate percentages. Now we can see which fans respond to fan control and what percent they're at right now, so we can hit OK and then choose some settings. Usually we want to start this at log on and start minimized. That way it always runs your fan settings as soon as you start your computer. We can also uncheck show hidden cards. That way it hides anything it can't control. And there we are. Now we have fan control, so we can actually say, let's say I want to adjust the fan curves here. So all we have to do is on the left hand, or on the right hand side, you'll see a little button here, a plus sign. We're going to click on that button and let's make a graph. So here we have a graph curve. We can see what temperature sources we want to pull from. So this is the NVIDIA 4070. So I'm going to go ahead and pull from the NVIDIA 4070 here. And let's edit this. And here we can go in detail what we want the graph to look like. So I want this at 100% if it's ever at like, if it ever reaches 100 degrees, I want that to be at 100%. That way we can get it nice and cool. And then other than that, we can keep it pretty low and then sort of ramp up as it gets warmer. So let's hit OK. And now on our NVIDIA controls here, we can turn these on and choose our graph. If we want to name this to be more specific, we can say NVIDIA, and then it'll rename it to NVIDIA here so it's easier to see. We can do the same thing for our CPU fan as well. You can create lots of different fan curves and styles here. But yeah, that's it for this one. Just wanted to share this really cool tool with you guys. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. Have a good one. Peace.
Unboxing kudos, we rock that pseudo administrative elevator command. We build it up and break it down in that virtual lab. From conversations to games to interviews with a broader view. He keeps it fresh, always brings something new. It's MikeTheTech, 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 the architect, MikeTheTech, MikeTheTech, yeah, MikeTheTech, the architect,